my dear viewer. You see the white color building, it's like a dragon shape. This one is actually World Trade Center, okay? And I am showing all surrounded building. This place is Manhattan, okay? And look, and okay, and this one is called the tallest building of the World Trade Center. Look at the, oh my god! And now I will showing you all surrounded building, okay? Wow, and this is the beautiful waterfalls. This place is like a dream place, bro. Like a heaven. It's really beautiful. Now I'm going inside the World Trade Center and showing you what is actually situated in the inside, okay? So look at the shape like a dragon, huh? There is a fire and this one. So look the World Trade Center, how is it look like, okay? And the surrounded building. So now you can see the building shaped like a dragon, and I am entering inside, okay? See, World Trade Center, okay? Now really look the beautiful view of the building, huh? The entire building is really, huh? Did you see? Maybe someday you should come here. Okay, I will go more down, and now look. Wow. So this is called World Trade Center. These are the Manhattan, New York. I came alone here. Look, I like this building and all the surrounded with the shop. Beautiful shop here. Wow. Let's go. Let's see what is inside on the down floor. Okay. Yeah. Come enter inside. Yeah. So come at the down. Now we look. Okay. The World Trade Center building. How this look like? Lot of people saw the dream at the night. They will come one day.
Okay. I'll see you tomorrow. We'll coordinate for this spot.
So dosto, now I will pick a train, E-train from here to the Times Square. See you.